CNC routers are amazing devices that can be used for a variety of different applications. As you'll see in this article, a CNC router is actually very simple to use and can be applied to a variety of different fields. But how exactly do you use one of these devices for woodworking? Let's take a look at the different uses for which CNC routers would be good for. Wood turning. Wood turning is the turning of wood into other materials such as metal, glass, and other household items. There are many different techniques that could be used with a CNC router, such as mill veneer or fancy turn pieces. CNC routers are perfect for making 1/1 scale miniature toys, furniture, cabinetry, and more. However, when making toys, one of the techniques that would be very useful is CNC routing the pieces. This will help you create really intricate details, such as 1/1 scale miniature toys that could take hours to make by hand. Woodturners can use a CNC router to cut all the various pieces needed for a project such as gears, clutches, and other required parts. Wood carving. Wood carving is carving designs into furniture, tables, and other wooden objects. There are many different types of carvings such as tree, animals, and even people could be done on a CNC router. When making a wooden desk organizer, for example, you could surface mount a carving of a plant to the desk organizer. This would help the user identify what type of plant it is whenever they look at the desk organizer. When doing larger projects, a CNC router is perfect for creating detailed and intricate carvings. This is particularly useful when doing furniture, since you could use it to do the intricate details, such as nail heads and other fixings. Stencil cutting. Stencil cutting is cutting out designs and images from wooden furniture, boxes, and other items. This could be done on a CNC router to create personalized mason jars or personalized wine decanters. A stencil cut could be used to trace the image of a dessert that you want to serve at a party. Then, when the machine cuts out the image, it could easily be placed in the jar or decanter based on the traced image. Dovetail joints. Dovetail joints are strong, secure joints between two pieces of wood that do not require glue. A CNC router could be used to make decorative and accurate dovetail joints between two larger boards. This could be used to join two pieces of furniture together for cozy dinette-style chairs. Turning bowls and molds. The turning bowl is a type of mold used to make certain types of sculptures, such as functional pieces like vases, beach bowls, and more. However, when a CNC router is used to make a bowl, it could easily be used to make other types of sculptures like figures, animals, and more. The bowl that could be made with a CNC router could easily be used to make ornaments for Christmas trees, and other holiday-themed items. Finishing touches with a CNC router. When you're done making your items with a CNC router, you might be wondering how to put it back together again. This could be a project for a beginner, especially since there's a step-by-step guide included in the instructions for putting it together. However, for more advanced users, a CNC router could be used as a CNC mill. This means that it could be used as a machine to cut materials like metal and plastic. This could be used to make items like keychains, toys, and much more. This can be a really useful and time-saving device when it comes to making large quantities of cheap items like keychains and toys. Summary. CNC routers are a great way to create professional quality works of furniture and other wooden products at an affordable price. This can be used for a variety of different applications, such as turning wood into other materials like metal, glass, and housewares. When used the right way, a CNC router can be used for a variety of different purposes. However, when used the wrong way, it can be used for very dangerous and illegal acts, such as creating helicopter-like crafts without any safety precautions. So, before you start using a CNC router, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the different types of operations, the different uses for which the machine could be used, and the machine's safety features.